What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove your Gmail account from other devices. To ensure your Gmail account is only accessible where you want it to be, it's crucial to know how to remove it from other devices you no longer use or control. This process can be done through your mobile or desktop browser. Open up your preferred browser and ensure you're logged in with your account by tapping on the profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in to the Google account you wish to manage. After logging in, select Manage your Google account located below your profile picture. Once in your Google account settings, look for the Security tab. This might require you to scroll sideways in the tab menu to find it. Tap on Security to access various security settings related to your account. Scroll down in the Security section until you find the Your Devices panel. Here, you'll see an option that says Manage Devices. Tap on this to view a list of all the devices where your Gmail account is currently logged in. This list provides a comprehensive overview of where your account is active, offering device names and possibly locations, indicating where your account has been accessed. Find the device from which you wish to remove your account and tap on it. You'll then see a Sign Out option for that specific device. Tap Sign Out to remove your Gmail account from that device. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and secure your Gmail account across multiple devices. This action will log you out from the selected device, ensuring that no one else uses that device to access your Gmail account. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.